under their curves. There's my center coil, my other coil, some of my parts. And I had a jug of gas on there too. I gotta. Okay. Take the crate off. This will fit in the van. I got the back of the Vangina cleaned out so I could load it full of gear. That's what you gotta do when you get a big old job in a minivan. All right, so you spend $5,000 on materials. You have to break down your own crate nowadays and haul the lumber out yourself. All right, I got all the gear heading out, but this garbage thing in California is a real deal. So I had to uncrate that coil at the parts house. I had to take apart the crate and then load the lumber myself in the back into my own van to dispose of it, because you can't put the wood in the garbage. I should probably give it to these guys so they can build some more apartments. I'm at the house. I'm gonna put the TXVs in here. Moment of truth. Yeah, we got pressure. Such a good feeling. So this is a 6,000 BTU coil. The one that's in the box right now is 6,000 BTUs. It's 2-fan. And we're gonna get this side with a single fan because we're gonna match the BTUs to the condensing unit. It was a hodgepodge the way they put the cooler together. So this is going to be a lot better. I got that's 9,000 BTUs. This is a 6,000. That gives us 15,000 total BTUs, and that's what the condensing unit's rated for. So we'll see how this works out. YouTube's, it's Saturday morning. Let's get out there and change out a couple evaporator coils and a line set. Make a happy walking box. It's like 10 to 7. I'm gonna recover the charge on this one and go for the gusto. All right, I got this thing on recovery. I'm gonna recover the gas to reuse the refrigerant. It's 448A. and I got a dryer going, so I got it going into the machine, out of the machine, through a brand new filter dryer into the tank. I gotta go. I'm all scattered out here. It's hilarious. And I'm probably gonna change the oil. I got the oil. Probably gonna change the oil in that compressor too. I want to take a good look at it. And I'm gonna redo the line set. So where that it was so funky out here, how they did it before, where the suction line went low and the liquid line went high. I'll try and bore that hole out on the top up there. All right, I got the old coil ripped out. I measured off the back of the wall 13 inches, so I get the proper return there. Like, I got a bunch of stuff hackered that we're not gonna use anymore. The old line set was just pushed through there. They didn't have a hole saw. I thought that was funny. I'm gonna hack all this out too. This is all coming out. I'm gonna run a new line set. This is just old, pieced together, old beater. This came out of a grocery store. Pulled the fans out, like it. This section of circuit wasn't even in play. It had been cut off and welded off because it was leaker. So we'll get it together here. I got the coils hung. I got to get it piped in. That's my 9,000. This one fits like a champ. This is 3/4. It's a 6100. And got it set up. Yeah, about 14 inches it came out to. So I got some good return air on this thing. It's gonna work good. It's not a big box at all. And then we got rid of that low flow frickin' Hussman thing that was out of a grocery store. We got this guy going, which is actually a nicer fit. And this is high flow, so we're looking good. I'm gonna line up my drain. The old drain was 1/2 inch. We're gonna run this one 3/4 all the way around. Well, it's 7:18 p.m. I really didn't get much video. I was just out there getting my ass kicked. There's a new line set, 2 new coils. I got a couple pictures. I'm done with that job. Here's my breakfast, lunch, and dinner is going to be some Advils and a sugar-free Red Bull. I didn't get any video, and it was go mode, and oh, you know how it goes. Work mode. That was a long day. That was a good long one. I'll try and mix this video in with another repair video and at least show, but man, I'm whooped. So that's how it goes sometimes, you know, so that's how it is. All right, we're back out there. 6 a.m. Got a little unit down at a coffee place. Let's go take a look at it. Yeah, maybe a bad thermostat. Oh yeah, bad thermostat for sure.